Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Google account that controls Smart Lock. Go to My Account. Google, Com, or on Android, settings right arrow Google, right arrow manage your Google account. Once signed in, check two-step verification, disable only if you understand the security trade-off. You're doing this because Smart Lock settings live under Security and Password Manager. Access there saves time. If prompted, complete any quick identity checks so you can proceed directly to the device and password controls. Now focus on passwords. In your Google account, open Security then Password Manager. Turn off Offer to save passwords to stop future saves, and disable Auto Sign-In to prevent automatic logins. Once done, remove any saved credentials you no longer want by selecting entries and deleting them. This severs automatic recovery on other devices. Make sure you have alternative records for important passwords before deleting. You'll need them when Smart Lock no longer fills forms for you. Finish by addressing device-level Smart Lock features. In Chrome or Android settings, locate Smart Lock options and disable Smart Lock for passwords plus any device unlock features like on-body detection or Bluetooth trusted devices. Once turned off, restart your phone to clear cache trust states. If you still get automatic unlocks, remove trusted devices and repair only when ready. Troubleshooting tip: if Smart Lock persists, clear Chrome app data or remove, and re-add your Google account to reset settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.